trending news after the killings of protesters around the country. See what Obasanjo told Buhari. The EndSARS protest has taken a different dimension. Many lives has been lost and properties worth millions destroyed. The once peaceful protest has been hijacked by thugs in many cities. You can hardly differentiate between a peaceful protest and a thug who may be having ulterior motives. The soldiers are also not left out, as videos and pictures allege that the military men are abusing the human rights of peaceful protests and even shooting at them. See what happened in Abuja that got people talking. Photos showing destructions down by thugs during the protest. In view of the above, the former president of Nigerian Chief Olusegun Obasanjo has given a piece of advice to President Buhari about the killings in the north. This information was reported by Punch newspaper in their Twitter handle. Punch newspaper says this killing protest is worsened. It's a crisis that will always never finish or comes to an end. Makes dialogue impossible, Obasanjo tells Buhari. Killing protesters worsened crisis, makes dialogue impossible. This news, however, sparked reactions from social media users. See the reactions below. Raman says, Obasanjo is fine and okay to talk, but aren't you one of our leaders? You're also part of the government, so do not be posting and writing letters, but start doing work. Alamide says, in as much as what happens in Lekki toll gates is a bad one, Obasanjo lacked moral justifications to talk about it because the genocide of other 200 women and children he commented on in Odi, Bayelsa State in 1999 and over 200 people in Beji village in Benue State 2001 is still fresh in our memories. King Dave says, for I know that freedom is coming tomorrow. R.I.P. to all the fallen giants in Nigeria. And bad governance Nigerian says, Igbo people protesting one Nigeria with Nigerian flag dropped it and carry IPOB flag when they had army and shouting people with Nigerian flag. Every true Nigerians, their heart is presently full of this sadness. But what do you think of Obasanjo's advice to Buhari? Thank you, viewers, for listening to this news. This is so hypocritic from Obasanjo. Obasanjo is just saying this because a lot of people now know and accuse him of being the problems in this country, and also he has been the one attacking Nigerian protesters, the innocent youth, during this protest all over the state, especially in the toll gate. Obasanjo has been denying the fact that he is not responsible for the attacks happening in toll gates or in Lagos as a whole. He also denied that he is not the owner of toll gates, when he was the one saying that toll gate has been blocked, that he is not comfortable with the closure of toll gates because he believes that he won't be receiving the money he used to receive before now. Now that he has been caught and they accuse him of being the sponsors of these attackers, he denied totally that he is not the owner of this toll gate, which is bad, which is a blunt lie. With everything he has just said, the lies he has just told, Nobody will want to believe him anymore. Nobody even believed his life. Nobody believed. You see what Nigerians are doing? They took all the corpses, the dead ones that were attacked, the injured ones to Tinubu's house. They used vans taking them to Tinubu's house. That Tinubu, you're responsible for these killings, the attack of these innocent people, and he denied it. Now because of now it's showing his hypocritical attitude, doing as if he is innocent of everything that happened, advising Buhari to be careful, to be patient, to this, to that, to give these people, to let these protesters have a peaceful protest, and telling Buhari that Buhari should just let go and accept every of their demands. Is that not hypocritical? Forget this. Nobody will both trust or believe you. No matter what you tell Buhari, no matter the advice you give to Buhari, they will not thank you because they know that you are an hypocrite. And that is for denying that you're not the owner of Tollgate means that you are a big deceiver. You can't deceive Nigerians no more. You can't deceive them anymore. But they know the kind of person you are. So forget about this advice to Buhari. So viewers, you have heard it all from Obasanjo. The advice he gave to Buhari. What would you have to say concerning that? Do you believe whatever he said? Do you believe that he actually advised Buhari all of his heart? No, he did not. To me, I don't believe. To some, they don't believe. To some, believed. So viewers, drop your comment below the comment box. Drop something below the comment box. Let's see what you feel and what you think about what you just heard. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to receive updates whenever I drop any videos. Thank you.